Three primary reasons why myofascial release is particularly helpful for painful bladder conditions is for three reasons. Number one, myofascial release helps address the myofascial restrictions within the abdominal and pelvic cavity that are placing excessive pressure on pain-sensitive structures such as nerves, muscles, connective tissue, and even the bladder. The second reason is that myofascial release really helps calm the nervous system being our body's alarm system into whether we need to be in fight, flight, or freeze mode. The last but not least reason why myofascial release is so effective for painful bladder conditions is because it helps create an awareness into habits that may not be serving you.